Hello everyone, myself Monisha Chare and I'm legal intern at Lexis and Company. Today I'm here to discuss with you about the topic that is Delhi, capital versus state government. Yes, as you all know, Lieutenant Governor is a government head in capital state Delhi. So, Delhi is a capital state of India, which is a union territory also. This state lieutenant governor have more power than chief minister. As a Lok Sabha have passed the bill of GN City of Delhi Act 2021, where more teeth to LT governor and have put down the power of the government of the Delhi. There had been conflict of jurisdictional power between the lieutenant governor and the Delhi elected government. So, first of all, let us talk about the history. In India, there are total 8 union territories after Jammu and Kashmir and Ladakh got divided. These union territories, few states are appointed with lieutenant governor, that is Delhi, Puducherry, and Andaman and Nicobar Island. In case of Delhi and Puducherry, they have ministers and lieutenant governor both, so that they can see government over there is working properly or not. Governor of the state is a nominal head of the state, but real power are in hands of chief minister only. But in case of lieutenant governor, he is the constitutional head of the union territory and he has so many powers. Lieutenant governor are appointed by President of India for the tenure of 5 years. In recent times, Government of National Capital Territory of Delhi Amendment Bill 2021 is passed. So let us talk about the feature of this bill. Whenever we talk about the Delhi, it means we are talking about the Lieutenant Governor of Delhi. Lieutenant Governor opinion is very crucial in matters related to any executive action to be taken for Council of Ministers decision. This bill also states that rules made by the Legislative Assembly must be consistent with the rules of procedure and conduct of business in Lok Sabha. The legal controversy between the Delhi government and Lieutenant Governor has always been in question. Due to this coexistence of Article 239 and 239 AA, there is a jurisdictional conflict between the government of NCT and the union government and its representative, the Lieutenant Governor. According to the union government, New Delhi being a union territory, 239 article empowered the lieutenant government to act independently of his council of ministers. However, the state government of Delhi held that the article 239 AA of the constitution bestows special status to Delhi of having its own legislative elected government. This created a tussle around the administrative power of Lieutenant Governor and state government of NCT Delhi. So, in this case, can say that there had always been conflict between state of Delhi and his lieutenant governor. So, in case of GNCT of Delhi versus Union of India and others, which is also known as Delhi versus LG case 2018. In this case, Supreme Court of India mentioned that Lieutenant Governor is only an administrative head and his powers are limited, and he have to take advice of Council of Minister in every matter except matter related to land, police and public order. In this case, decision made was the Lieutenant Governor cannot interfere with all the decision made by the Delhi government. So the bill passed in Lok Sabha is stated as against the decision made by Supreme Court in above mentioned case. This bill gave the more power to Lieutenant Governor. So we can conclude that, therefore, we can say that for the development of the state, there is a need to work together, and if differences in the opinion arise, then Lieutenant Governor and NCT of Delhi government should act in constitutional morality, and trust for each other should be there. It will also provide for rules made by the Legislative Assembly of Delhi to be consistent with the rules of the House of People or the Lok Sabha. So, for working and for the development of the state, it is very necessary for both the parties to work together in order to make this state more developed and people could not suffer. I hope you have understood this topic. For more such interesting topics and for more gaining of information, subscribe to our channel and please like, share and comment. Thank you.